Hi, it's Ann Clay, and when we see this little laptop, that means it's time for Tech Tools. All right, so today I wanted to give you an example of using virtual backgrounds where you can provide a better example of prior knowledge for kids that they just might not have that background knowledge ahead of time. So, as you notice, I have a moving palm tree and the ocean behind me, so I might be talking about Hawaii in a book, or it might be referenced in a text, or I might be talking about a different island. And so it's perfect to add that in. So, what you want to do is if you want to move from one virtual background to another while you're talking, and or while you are moving from lesson to lesson, subject area to subject area, you want to hit that little arrow next to stop video. And then you want to choose background, virtual background. And then now I'm sitting in here. Maybe this is a great place for me to start reading a story out loud to kids because there are books there. It's kind of calming. They can just focus on me and the story that's being read. And maybe while the story is happening, there's an elephant that is one of the characters, uh, or is a part of it. Or maybe it's South Africa that the story is coming from, such as Mufaro's beautiful daughters from Zimbabwe and South Africa are referenced. So these are excellent examples of how you can switch while you're talking, while you're reading, and it gives them a better sense of what it is that you're reading or sharing at the time. So then maybe during your day, you want to have a calming moment with the kids, maybe 5 minutes just to kind of reconnect. And so you can change your background. Some of you in your classrooms use like a nice roaring fireplace or an aquarium, very calming and soothing. So you again, you can use your virtual background to help do that. Maybe somebody's celebrating, it's their birthday, and you can use your virtual background to celebrate as well. You can go around the world, doesn't matter. You can have all kinds of nature walks and field trips to different places around the world and the country, and you can even go to outer space. So there's so much that can be done, and I just really wanted to share that with you today. And please reach out to me if you have any questions about it. But I'm excited. There is one more thing that I want to share with you. And I'm not sure if you have to do it on your settings before you actually access it, but there's something called video filters. And so it allows you to choose different filters with your virtual background. And again, that's wonderful. Like this would be perfect for the PATH student of the day when you're acknowledging them. This could be like, is Mrs. Clay making any sense right now? Right? Or something else you could have. Of course, you have the fun sunglasses and all of the things that you would have if you were um, on Snapchat, which is fun, but this is a safe way for kids to be able to see you in a fun way, very engaging, obviously. I know I have your full attention right now. So, anyway, I just wanted to share with you all the different things that were on the Zoom. And I hope that you have a great day. Please reach out at any time, at any point, if you need help. All right. Have an awesome day. Bye.